Subhodayam children. Jairam Krishna. Sit in a comfortable position, children. Let your spine, neck and head straight. Close your eyes. Feel your body. Children, keep your hands in Dhyan Mudra, joining of your index and thumb finger. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Let us chant Omkara. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra, children. Om Sahana Bhavatu.
Om Sahana Bhavatu.
Sahanao Bhunaktu.
Sahanao Bhunaktu.
Sahaviryam Karavavahai.
Sahaviryam Karavavahai.
Tejasvinavaditamastu.
Tejasvinavaditamastu.
Ma vidvishavahai.
Ma vidvishavahai.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Rub your palms, children. Keep your palms on your eyes. Children, now we are going to practice excellent asanas and Surya Namaskars also today. First, Jana Sirsasanam. Fold your left leg like this, children. Okay, keep your right leg straight. You can see our Sham as well as me. Okay, breathe in, raise your hands up. Look straight, children. Then breathe out, bend down. Touch your forehead with your knee. Stay there like this, children. 20 numbers count.
Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश, त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
Comes right, hands down. For second chance, maybe first time you may not be able to touch your forehead with your knee, but try this time. Second time it will be some more easy than earlier. Try again. Okay, again inhale, hands up, look straight, children. Stretch your hands and spine. Still more. Very good. Then breathe out, bend down. Stay there. Same 20 numbers count.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश.
Breathe in, come straight, hands down. Now release your leg. Now fold your right leg, children. Keep your left leg straight. Keep your leg straight. Then breathe in, raise your hands up. Breathe out, bend down. First, don't forcefully practice. Practice as much as you can. Stay there. 20 numbers count.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
Come straight, hands down. Again, repeat one more time. This time, try to bend still more. Try your level best to bend more down. Okay, let us practice one more time. Inhale, exhale.
एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टादश नवदश विंशतिः.
Come straight, hands down, stretch your legs. Now we are going to practice a posture which is called as Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel pose. Maintain 1 feet gap between your both legs, children. Fold your both legs more to the back. Keep your palms firmly on the floor. Then breathe in, raise your hips and spine up. Look back. Like this, head back more. Breathe out, down. Try to push your hips and spine still more up, children. These are the excellent postures which will give a good flexibility to our body. Okay, again, practice. Breathe in, raise your hips and spine up, head to the back.
Ashmas, don't lift your heels up. Then will be easy.
Breathe out, down. Now come to butterfly position, children. Like this. Keep your spine, neck, and head straight. Catch hold of your toes. Then knees up and down continuously. Try to lift your knees as much as possible up, as much as possible down. Good. I want everyone to switch on their video. So that we can see you, and if you are making any mistake, we will be able to correct you. Still more speed. Good, still more speed. Very good, children. Now come to standing position, children. We will practice Surya Namaskars, children. Just today I will show you, and you too observe and practice. Next week we will practice more rounds. Okay. Now, like this. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Hiranmayena patrena
Hiranmayena patrena
satyasyapi hitam mukam
satyasyapi hitam mukam
tatvam pushanna pavruno
tattvam pushanna pavruno
satya dharmaya drushtaye
satyadharmaya drushtahe
Om Hram Mitraya Namaha.
Om Sham Mitraya Namaha.
Children, everyone just observe how Sham is doing. Okay. So this is position number 1. There are 14 asanas in this Surya Namaskars. Okay. Then second one is Urdhva Namaskarasanam. Raise your hands and bend back. Yes, like this. Okay. This is called Urdhva Namaskarasanam. Then Pada Hastasanam. Bend down. Sham, both your legs together. See, this is Pada Hastasanam. Just observe once, then you can practice together. Then Asva Sanchalanasana, right leg back. See, his right leg is back and knee touched to the floor. Then look straight and keep your palms in between your left feet. This is Asva Sanchalanasana. Then Meru Dandasanam. Both your legs together. Keep your body straight. This is Meru Dandasanam. Then Shashankasanam, knees down. Touch your forehead to the floor. Then after Shashankasanam, Ashtanga Namaskarasanam. Touch your chin, chest, hips more up. This is Ashtanga Namaskarasanam. Then Bhujangasanam. Both your legs together. Then head up, look up. Then Parvatasanam. Mountain pose. Head more inside. Just observe. Then Shashankasanam. Then Asva Sanchalanasana, right leg to the front. Then Pada Hastasanam. Then Urdhva Namaskarasanam. Okay, children. Now we will practice together. Come to Pranamasana. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha.
Om Hrim Havaye Namaha.
Urdhva Namaskarasanam. Pada Hastasanam. Asva Sanchalanāsanam. Merudandāsanam. Very good. Shashankasanam. Ashtanga Namaskarasanam. A Pushkala. Just observe video and see. Bhujangasanam. Very good. Good Pushkala. Parvatasanam. Shashankasanam.
Shashankas.
Snehita Asva Sanchalanāsanam. Very good. Pada Hastasanam. Urdhva Namaskarasanam. Pranamasana. Again, one more. This time we will practice still more speed, children. Let us see who will be practicing nicely. Pranamasana. Om Hrum Suryaya Namaha.
Om Hrum Suryaya Namaha.
Urdhva Namaskarasanam. Pada Hastasanam. Asva Sanchalanāsanam. Yashwant, yes, right leg forward, left leg back. Very good. Merudandāsanam. Srivani, your knees up. Knees up, yes. Shashankasanam. Ashtanga Namaskarasanam. Very good. Bhujangasanam. Parvatasanam. Shashankasanam. Asva Sanchalanāsanam. Right leg to the front. Yashwant, right leg to the front. Yes. Pada Hastasanam. Urdhva Namaskarasanam. Pranamasana. Good children. Sit down in a normal position. So this is how we need to practice Surya Namaskars. Next week we will practice more. This week I want you all to understand how is the poses of the Surya Namaskars. Hope everybody understood these Surya Namaskars.